Rhapsody Realities is changing lives, one person at a time, one family at a time, one nation at a time. And partners of Rhapsody Realities are making tremendous changes all around the world. I want to thank all of you who have partnered with me on this platform. Thank you and God bless you. Do you know, as a Christian, your default setting should be praise and thanksgiving every single time. When you discover that all that you would ever need in life has already been given to you, you'll find out that there is nothing else that you ever lack. There's nothing that you want. There's nothing that you want to get, because God has given you all things. And what will be left but praise, thanksgiving, and rejoicing? What an exciting life you will live knowing this. Discover in today's Rhapsody Realities and click on the link and sponsor today. God bless you. Love you.